Here's a little right hand preparation for Suzuki Guitar Book 2 Andantino. We're going to put thumb on 4 and middle on 2 and pull them at the same time. Make sure you end up in the soft fist, okay, your free stroke. So it's like this, 2 with 4, and then 3 with index finger. Pull in. So start with all your fingers down. Ready? 1, P-I-M. 1, 2, ready, slow. And now put your A finger, your ring finger, not your middle, on the first string, and your thumb goes on 5. Index finger lives on the 3rd string only. So now it's going to be your outside strings like this. 5, 1, 3, 5 and 1, 3, 5 and 1, 3. Now remember, free stroke is not like this. I'm going to pull in. So now I'm going to go 4 times like this, and then 4 times like this. Nice and slow so you can play along at home, okay? Fingers down on 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. Ready, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you put your ring finger, A finger, and thumb on 5. Ready, go. Index finger, index finger. Okay, now I'm going to do a little faster. If you need to stop there and rewind and practice that part, you can. But if you're ready to go a little faster, here I go. I'm going to do 4 of these and then 4 of these. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. First string. Use your A finger and index. Back to the 4th string. And 2. Middle, index. Back to the 1st string. 5. When you have that mastered, then you start doing what I call the baby C chord, like this. And it's... Then the baby G chord is just open strings. And then 4th finger D, 3rd finger F, right? D, D sharp, E, F. Okay, so I'm going to start over for baby C chord, G chord, open strings, get your 4th finger ready, and then it's back to the C chord. Okay, I'll do that one more time. Ready, C chord, open strings, 4th finger ready. The C chord ready, and it kind of does the big C chord, but it's just a 5 bass with E, kind of like the G chord. Back to 2 C's. That's a little more advanced and further than I expect to go with the video, but it just gives you a little taste of what's to come.